Hey guys, welcome back, hope you're good. So my first tip is going to contradict everything else that I'll say in this video, but I would say that wherever possible, avoid using a prism. Try using anything but a prism, but it's still going to achieve the same effect. So I'm talking glass and mirrors and reflections and champagne glasses or regular like pint glasses, anything that you can get your hands on that has some kind of glass or reflectiveness or mirrors or anything like that, because it's all going to give you that similar distorted, refracted kind of look that you're after, so it's all good. Anything you can get your hands on will work. Use anything essentially, and a prism's not really necessary. However, there is going to be occasions where it will come in handy. You might be miles away from any other source of glass or anything that you can get your hands on. You might be outside, or you might be in a ceremony at a church or something like that. And that's when having a prism in your bag comes in really handy. And in fairness, that will fit in your pocket, and it's less than a tenner. Why wouldn't you have one? I mean, it's super quick to just whip out and have a go with. Why not just have one in your kit bag? If you are gonna get a prism, I would recommend this one. There's nothing majorly special about it. It's just, they all look the same. It's just a piece of glass and it does the job. But the reason I got this one was it was cheap on Amazon, and it came in a nice box and everything, but it was cheap on Amazon. It was about £6 and it had great reviews. It was at the top, and that's why I got this one. And so I'll link this one that I got below, and you can always follow that to other, but I mean, you're looking at about £6-7, and it's not every day that you can get a piece of kit for videography that doesn't break the bank. And what I will say, if you do have one in your kit bag, because it's there, it's going to force you to think about your shots differently. Like if it wasn't there, it wouldn't be on your mind and you'd just shoot how you normally shoot. But if you have got one to hand and you're out and about and you're thinking about your shot, for the sake of getting it out of your pocket and grabbing it and doing that, which takes 2 seconds, you'll look at a shot and you'll think, I wonder if that would look better with a prism. And sometimes it won't, but sometimes it will. The only thing that you will need to consider is having your aperture as wide open as possible. I always shoot wide open at 1.8 anyway. You want to be getting this as close as you can to the lens, and at 1.8 if you're wide open, or even 2.2 or something like that, you will get the dreamy kind of reflected glassy look to it. If your aperture is too small, it's not going to work because it won't blur this out enough. It'll be too blocky and visible. What I'm filming on now, that is not a wide enough aperture because it's completely cutting me out. Whereas if you're wide open and you put it there, it'll look all dreamy and nice. Depends on the project, I suppose. I'm coming at this from a wedding perspective because that's what I shoot, but this would work, and this would be a good tool in any video production, but just bearing in mind that you want to have your aperture as wide open as you can. So that was today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments. If you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe button, and as I say, I'll link this particular prism in the description below. Go and check them out. They are seriously worth having in your kit bag just to have to hand. You might not use it that often, but it's a few quid. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.